Hi, I would like to show you this wonderful technology tool called KidBlog. This will enable teachers to have their whole class up and blogging in just one day's time to learn the site. It's very easy to use. What I did already, I went to kidblog.org and I already logged in. But if you haven't logged in, it would be in this section here. Okay, I have already created a class, but if you need to create a new class, you just click on this bar here, name the class, describe it, and create it. Under Ms. Batluck's class, let's take a look inside. This gives each student a chance to write their own stories, be creative, blog about content in the classroom. The possibilities really are endless. This is a toolbar that describes the class, and then down here are individual postings. It's very visually appealing as well. Each blog post can be designed with a unique photo or avatar. If you desire to just see a list, you can change the way that it appears on your screen to just list by author or title, or the more visually appealing way. Okay, great. So this has already been created, so there's already a few sample blog posts in here. Let's click on one. I love the desert. This is just something I used for the training. This post gives you the title, a pretty background, a pretty photo, the person who created it, as well as the date, the content, an opportunity to place multiple tags if desired, a place for comments by the teacher or other students, or even the public if you choose to allow the public to see it. Alright, I want to go back to my class as a whole. I would like to show you another way to use this in an educational setting. And I want to have access to more features, so I will select Settings. And you see a more detailed toolbar here with reports that has statistics on how many people are viewing your class's blogs. Nothing yet. But I also want to show you connections. If other classrooms around the country or even the world have chosen to make their KidBlog public, you can look at theirs. Let's check out Ray's Rockstars. It's a 5th grade group of students who have been blogging. They've chosen to open it to the public, and they just have it listed by the title and author. But once you click on one, you will be able to see the avatar or photo they have chosen. You can ask to follow this group, ask to join the group here. But since they've made it public, even if they haven't approved me, since it's public status here, I can click on Stolen Puppy. And this is a cute sample of a student's blog. A little narrative. Someone stole my puppy. I'm going to call my friends. Arf! Shouted the puppy. Puppy, puppy, I missed you so much. And that's her little narrative. You come down here, there's space for you as a public person to comment. And then her teacher also commented. A wonderful way to give instant feedback to the writer. Teacher writes, great job being creative. Okay, I'm going to go back. So we know how to find the website, kidblog.org. We know how to create a class. I want to briefly review how to create new students. So I want to show you how to add students. I went back to the main page for Ms. Batluck's class. Again, I want to have access to the greatest number of toolbars as I can. So I select Settings. Then I will select Users. It gives you a chance to create students. Then you could type in the student's name. I'm just going to use a sample name. I've used the same password for myself and all students just for the purposes of training. Successfully created user, Nikki Smith. Close that. And you can see that I've practiced adding many students. So that is how you would use it in the classroom. You would give your students an account and let them start blogging. Oh, let me briefly show you how to create a blog post. Once the student does have an account and they're ready to make a new blog post, you go to the main page of Ms. Batluck's class. A lot of the toolbars are hidden, but if I want to see those again, I select on Settings. But in this case, I would like to use New Post. This gives you a chance to type the content, as well as practice designing with some of the choices they have. And you can use avatars, headers, even find links online. Okay, I'll add a smiley face with glasses. And then insert. Title it My New Glasses. I can type content. Can also change the background color and the background texture. Lots of choices. There are different choices for fonts. And again, you can use tags, vision. Okay, so even though you have created a wonderful image, background, color, all of these buttons are hidden because guess what? There's no content. So you would not be able to save it as a draft, review it, or publish it until you actually have some content. So I visited my doctor. These buttons are now active, draft, review, and publish. I'm just going to save it as a draft. It's not ready to be published. Great. Now let's go to the main page and I will review with you some of the pricing options. This is the main page you will see when you log into kidblog.org. It does feature a 30-day trial. And if you're ready to commit to this, if you enroll for an automatic deduction or pay in advance, it's just $4.50 per month. Or if you want to do monthly steps, it's $12 monthly. I would definitely recommend this to any classroom. I think you could use it in a wide variety of subjects.